by just starting with a really deep cleansing breath, a relaxing breath, one that maybe causes your shoulders to rise and fall, and your low belly to just relax. And just recognizing in this moment that I can consciously retreat from the hubbub and the commotion of the physical world and go within to the quiet and the stillness of my own body temple. And I discover there a sense of peace and tranquility that calms all the tension and the stress that I may be feeling throughout my body temple. I consciously awaken in this moment to Spirit's presence in me, as me, and for me, and I acknowledge the power and the healing energy that is there through every muscle, every bone, every blood vessel, every tendon, every organ, every atom of my being. I feel this energy, and I feel the connection of it to the God life, the life of God as it fills me with a profound sense of power and energy. And I know that this sustaining energy of the divine guides and directs me and all of my bodily actions at every moment. It is my very life. I know in this moment that I am one with the power and the presence that lives within me and through every organ, tissue, and atom of my body. The healing energy of Spirit is present at every point in my physical being, and its very essence communicates itself in the movements and in the actions of my body temple. Yes. I speak my word at this moment for the manifestation of wholeness and healing in all aspects of my body and in my mind and in my relationships. I see Spirit's healing energy flowing through me in this very instant. It directs blood flow to every organ and tissue. It breathes and moves with ease and delight. It strengthens every bone and every tendon. It opens every passage within me to vitality and to joyful expectation. I know in this moment that I am healed, and I am dancing to the music of Spirit's energetic symphony. Oh, and so I am so grateful for Spirit's life in and as me. I am grateful for life expressing in such a wondrous way as my life and all my activities, be they physical, emotional, mental, relational, financial, or spiritual. I am grateful, so eternally grateful, for the wonder that I experience daily, moment by moment, as a child of the divine, open to all of the magnificence of creation. Oh, and now in this moment, I just release this prayer. I release it gratefully into its power of perfect manifestation. And so it is. Amen.